Online, am I audible? Online, can you hear me? People in online, can you hear me, ma? I hope so. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Good. Good. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. So, do you guys know what is this course is for? UI technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So you guys came here to learn something called web technologies. I will be your trainer for this course. I will tell you what are the things we will cover in this course. We will also discuss how much time it will take, what are the topics, each and every detail. But before we discuss, sir, let me introduce myself. My name is Prasad. I'm in a full stack web developer, mean and burn stack, both. I have been currently working in Verizon from the last 6 to 7 years. I have been training and the industry both. My current company name is Verizon. Does anyone ever heard of this company, ma? No. No, actually, to the people who don't know, sir, online is my voice is clear. Online is his voice is clear. Here also it's not clear. Echo आ रहा है ना? For me also echo is coming actually. Okay. It's not Origin. My company name is Verizon. Ari. Maybe you don't know, but actually it's good company. Okay. It's one of the top MNCs. They do some kind of US, US broadband, like you guys know, Act, you all know, Act Fiber Net. Act Fiber Net internet देता है ना broadband. तो पूरा US को, like to the whole US, Verizon देता. Now, anyway, come back to the class. Now, does anyone, before we start, does anyone have any idea why do we learn this HTML, CSS, JavaScript? What is the use of them? Sorry? To make websites. Online, I hope I'm clear. Yeah. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, we use it to make web pages or websites. We will discuss in detail, don't worry. Websites or web pages, UI pages. Does anyone have any websites, ma? Does anyone have already website on their own? No, na? Because if anyone knows it, why they come here anyway? Now, so you guys are from BTech. How many are from BTech, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, very less population. Degree major? How many are from degree? Okay. What about the remaining people, sir? Intermediate, BTech. You mean you are doing BTech still? Completed only. Is there anyone except BTech and degree? Polytechnic. Just now Polytechnic completed? Means I didn't get it. 6 months training period. Oh, in that you came here. Good. Any other, sir? Any 10th class people who completed 10th class and came here? No, people will come, Ray, seriously. I don't think so. That's nice then, at least. What about online, sir? I hope online majorly are from degree or BTech. Good. BTech, degree, MCA. Nice. Now, the beautiful thing only in software technologies, the beautiful thing only in software industry is you can do anything. Maybe you are a civil engineer, but still you will get a software job. You need to know only two things. One is good English, another one is coding skills. Coding skills anyway in this class I will teach. Oh, kuch nahi. English you have to learn. I hope you all know that, right? Good. Nice. So come back to our class. Let's see. We will discuss here HTML, CSS, JavaScript to make the website smart. Before we start anything, let's see the job market. Now, if you open websites like Naukri, if you type it here, HTML and CS HTML, you will get tons and tons of jobs. Obviously, they will not ask you only HTML. They will ask you so many things. But HTML is a basic one. Now see this. HTML, CSS, responsive web design. Okay. I'm not going into that. See this? HTML, Angular, go down. HTML, CSS, again. HTML, JavaScript debugging. Now SAP, something HTML. So HTML will be there everywhere. HTML, CSS, JavaScript are basic things. Is there anyone here joined as Java full stack? Good. Is there any Python full stack people? Thanks to AI, when ChatGPT came, people are like, no, yes, Python. Why everyone is Python, Ray? Did anyone told you it is the future? Someone really told you something wrong, Ray? No. Anyway, Python is a long curve. That is true. Python is future, but thoda lamba hai. You should learn very more. Anyway, if you are a Python developer, you are making one web application. Which language you will use it for front end, sir? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, sir. You are a Java developer. You are making one web application. Which application you will use it for front end, sir? HTML, CSS. You are a .NET, PHP or Ruby. कुछ भी. Front end खाली एक है. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Using this HTML, CSS, JavaScript, actually you can do mobile apps also. And if you see the trends, web technologies, statistics. If you see the statistics, sir, most people A survey showed HTML is the most popular technology skill in web development by almost 57% of the respondents. Now, this is the interesting point. Most people think it is very easy. Yes, it is true. Third class is very easy. But if we don't study third class, sir, we can't go to 10th class. We should study step by step. Third, fourth, fifth. Additions are easy. But to do polynomials, basic additions aana hai. Right? To do your Python or .NET, anything, you should do HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That is the power of this. It's very simple. Sir, I am not a tech guy. I am from non-technical background. I wanted to join in software industry. Only route HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Because coding will be less and you need some more creativity. More and more you make it nice visual diagrams na? Acha se aa. Are you all getting my point, sir? Acha, can you able to see, when you see a website, did you ever felt that this website is not looking good? Did you ever felt it, ma? No. You visited any site, sir? Today I will show you one by one. We will understand web development. Pehla se. First, why do we need coding? Online, someone I really loved it. This guy give classic example. Worst site in the world, IRCTC. I can vote for it. Seriously, that is the worst site. 100%. If I have to put a competition, two sites will win. One is IRCTC, another one is SBI. Now, anyway, why do we need coding? Tell me, you all will become one day developer, na? After 4 months or 3 months, you may get job. Why do you think that software someone has to develop? What is the point of coding? Why? Like, for example, someone made Swiggy, someone made Ola, someone made Rapido, someone made some Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp. तो यूज क्या है ये पूरम का? Did I ask any technical questions, sir? No, na? I want you guys to speak up, Ray. You are not a kid. Polytechnic wala chhod do. Remaining all are bigger people, right? Almost all are 20. Online, someone answered it. Let me start it. Why do we need coding, sir? Understand it, ma, to solve the problems. 90% of the, not 90, but 75% of freshers don't have problem solving skills. That is really true. For example, in my company, when new freshers came, we will have these challenges. Okay. They will be like, if we give any challenge now, for example, if we tell, put that particular button, they will put, but they don't even ask you why that button. They don't even ask it like why it is looking like that only. Why I have to put that here only. They'll be like, let's show though. Put. They ask you to put, we will just put. But you guys should make it something really problem solving. One day you guys can solve one problem. That is the most interesting point. If you are a Python developer, this course is required. If you are a Java developer, this course is required. If you are a .NET developer, this course is required. It is required for all. Like your 10th class. You may be doctor or engineer. 10th class is required for everyone. SSC same hai everyone. And that is your HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It won't be so difficult, but people feel it. Like, you all remember, sir, your SSC class? When we are in SSC now, we used to feel it like SSC only more difficult. We feel it like if I pass SSC that I can achieve anything. But when we came to intermediate, we understand SSC is easy. Now we are feeling it like SSC is not required. That is how life will be. Like just after some 4 months, you will feel it like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, oh, easy hai. Oh, it can be learned by anyone. But now you guys are just starting. Are you all getting my point, ma? Very good. Now, let's do it one by one, sir. Let's come to this first websites. What is the use problem solving skills? Now, I know that HTML, CSS, JavaScript we will use for websites. A website is nothing but collection of web pages, ma. One website will contain so many pages. Like someone opened one website, sir. Imagine I go here, I open one website, and in this website, there will be multiple pages. One page is for friend, one page is for request code, one page is here, like see, one page is for menu. Like this, multiple pages are there for one by one by one. So each and every page you will have different logic, sir. Right or not? Is it clear, ma? Now that logic, whatever you are having it, website, web pages, what is the use of website? Now we will start our actual course. Focus. You are a web developer. Imagine I am a pizza shop owner. I have a pizza shop, but I don't have any website. You came to me and told me you are not having any website now. You can have a website. I am a web developer. I will build it for you. You told me that you will build a website to me for my pizza shop. Is it clear till now? Now I ask you question. Why do I need a website? Sir? Deliveries. Okay. You, sir, there is no right or wrong answers. You can tell how whatever you feel, please. Deliveries. Why do I need a site? Good. Sorry. To expand online also someone said growth of the business. Perfect. Expand or growth. Online someone said it. Advertising. Promotion. Any other words? Half of the people are seeing inside them themselves only. Open your mouth. Can you all speak, ma? Any dumb? No? People are like, chod do. Someone will answer. Thank you, sir. Business management to view the menu, provide services. Online people are giving so many answers. If you are in online, you will also answer, right? If you all are in online, he will answer easily because you are just comment. These days, people are, difficult to speak in front of everyone. If I ask you to come in front of everyone to speak, most people can't. But if you are chatting now, everyone is a poet. Seriously. Menu, data. Sir, now let me ask you the same question in a different way. So many people give me so many answers. Obviously, you all think it right. You may have new answers also. Let me ask the same question in a different way. Imagine I'm a pizza shop owner and you convinced me nicely. I gave you the chance to build my website. You built a nice pizza shop website. It's looking so good. Nice images, nice galleries, nice add to cart. Everything is there. But after 1 month, I still did not get one order also in that website. I did not get one order also in that website. Will it be useful, ma? Is it good? No. Will I give you any another chance? No. Why? Because ultimately, sir, most people answer this one very correctly. Ultimately, website is not for only showcasing. Website is for marketing. Website is for business. Website is for sales. These are very important. Most of the web developers don't know this. You may see it like in YouTube, or you may see it like in Insta, you may see it like so many places. They will say, we will build 3D websites. We will make cool websites. We will make awesome website. Why don't Amazon make it 3D website? Do you think Amazon people don't have the developers? Amazon will have developers now. Then why do you think they are not making the website 3D, sir? Why don't in Amazon any animations will be there? No. Now take this website. For example, if I open any one website, sir, let me open some website. Imagine I open some website, ma. Now see, this website is having cool animations. Why don't you think it that Amazon will not use this kind of animations? Any guess? Why? Because most of the people build the websites to make the business out of it. You are a web developer. In company, they will hire you. Companies will not hire you because they just want a website. Companies want employees who can bring them more money. This is the hard real fact. Okay. When we built our product, ma, in Verizon website, I will tell you the real case because I just want you to show what is reality. Now, when we built this initial one, this is not the actual site. Originally, it was looking different. Now, what happened is, initial times, we really did not get any money, sales. That is why I gave that example. And the manager just told one thing, why we did not get the sales. I was like, no, I don't know. I'm a developer. I just built the site. It's looking good. And they said it like, we don't care. Basically, sir, when you make a website should load fast. Website should come in mobiles and all responsive. Images should be so great. Font should be readable. Color should be pleasant to the eyes. And make a branding language. Then people should buy. If one of the thing goes wrong, na, everything goes bad. Web development is that much easy and also that much psychological. I open one website, sir, Google. Now you all know this website, na? You all will use this website, na? Imagine I gave this website. Imagine I built this website like this. Imagine I built this website like this. Will you use the website now? But did I change any Google? It will work same thing, na? If you do type it now, you will say get the same thing, right or not? But imagine if I do the website like this, will anyone come and watch it? No. Why? Why? Appearance. वो अच्छा होना है. वो ही चाहिए UI. You should build a websites. Websites are for business. Websites are for marketing. Websites are for sales. And you are the one who is bringing business to the people. Never underestimate the power. Java people, Python people, these people build the solution. For example, Python people build the logic to make the Google work. But if I made one color error, na, पूरा चल जाता. Are you getting my point, sir? If first page only, for example, you guys worked so hard, Ray. You built one social media. Imagine you build some nice social media like Facebook. If I go here, if I log in, then I will go to your website. Then I will see your social media, right or not? Imagine this login page, I just made it worst. Will anyone come and log in? Will anyone see your Python program? Product chal jata. No one knows what is you. People will always judge you based on how you appear, how you dress, how you speak. That is the front end of the website. A website's front end is like how you showcase to yourself to other people. When you see others, you should give a nice warm look. Same way your website should do. Does it all make sense, ma? Or is it overwhelming? Is it okay? Let me know if you feel it something more burden. Because we are discussing general. Slowly we will understand. कुछ doubt है अभी तक? Online, anyone have doubts? No? No? Very simple. Now in web technologies, to make a website, we can bring websites using front end and back end. You will use front end and back end and databases. Using these three things, you will make your whole website, sir. How to do your front end, how to do your back end, how to do your database. That's what you will do. But what is major important in this course? Front end. I'm not concentrating on back end. I'm not concentrating on databases. According to me, front end is the most important. Why? See these websites. Let me show you some sites. SBI. Has anyone ever went to this site, ma? Dekho how this site is looking. Just remember this, how it is looking. Now, I will show you another website. You know who is the most competitor for SBI in India? ICICI. He is the competition to SBI. ICICI का website. Which one is looking good, sir? ICICI only, na? Now, tell me why it is looking good. Color, very good point. ICICI is having everywhere similar color. Nice. Any other? Font size, thank you. See, very small, and people cannot able to see some fonts, and they are not having good size, good font size. Someone in the online mentioned scrolling. SBI also gives scrolling. नीचे देता वो. So such a reverse people, they will give niche. Like who will go to this niche one? Right? But ICICI gives everything nice. Good, nice animation. We will do another classic example. We will see some more classic examples. There is one more worst website in the world, which is IRCTC. Okay, don't mind it if anyone IRCTC fans. This is why I said it worst. It will not load only for lifetime. Sometimes it loads, but it will not work. See, the site is full of ads. A government website which is full of ads is IRCTC. Now let's go here. Imagine I open one website, Abibus. I know that both are not same, but even in Abibus also you can able to book some kind of trains or some kind of red bus or something kind of one. Okay. Now imagine if Abibus is there. This is how they maintain, very simple. Or even their homepage, they maintain very simple. Now this is how IRCTC maintain it. Are you all understanding it, ma? Because SBI is something national-wide government one and IRCTC is government one, it is okay. Imagine you are creating one new website for your company. If you make it like this, it will not work. That is a classic example, right or not? So your front end is always important, sir. Your design makes your website something good. In front end, we have technologies, front end technologies such as HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. Also, you can use React or Angular, but in this course, we will discuss mostly this. Now, let me tell you about the course one, ma. I'm going to tell you about the course one. This course details. This course contains HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. Also, it contains, we will discuss some tools also, like tools such as VS Code. We will discuss VS Code only mostly. We will do Git and GitHub, and we will do something called a Netlify. We will in JavaScript. I did not tell you in detail what we will discuss. Just these are basic. On out and out, this course contains HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and then also VS Code, Git and GitHub or Netlify are normal. Later again, don't ask me like, sir, if this course is Angular is there or not. No. This course is containing only these things. But inside them, I will tell you in detail what more it contains. Who can take this course? Prerequisites. Complete beginners. You don't need any knowledge to learn this course because I told you it is the first step actually. If you want to learn Java, at least you should know some basics of C. If you are learning Python, you can directly start, but at least some basic programming should be done. But if you are a HTML, CSS guy, you don't need anything. You can directly start the class if you are from any background. And the fun fact is, how many of you know in school, nowadays in schools, HTML is there? Does anyone here knows that? You know them, right? Which like ICSE or CBSE? CBSE. Which class, ma? Eighth. CBSE 8th class students are having HTML, sir. So those people who are doing HTML, we are learning it. I think 8th class bole to some 10 years rehta. No, something like 12 or 13 years. That's it. 12, 13 years, guys. I think that they will have, okay, someone in the online mentioning, in 10th class, they are having Python. Does anyone know CICSE? There is one syllabus ICSE and then something IB, IGSE, IB something syllabus is there. There is one international school beside my home. There is a neighbor, and that girl is something 8th class or 9th class. I don't know, but something 9th class, I think. You know what's her summer project? Mobile app. She made one app. She even deployed that app into Play Store. That app is their Play Store. She came to me into the mid-May or something. She asked me, I made one app. Can you check for bugs? I was like, who are you? See, the 9th class girls or 9th class people, like whatever, boys or girls, that doesn't matter. Future will be competent. I am not scaring you. Obviously, you guys are more intelligent than them. But most benefit is those guys don't have any deviations like we do. You know, at your age, concentrating is difficult. At that age, concentrating is very easy, right? So be, into that. This course is completely for beginner, whether you are from anything. Like if 8th class children are learning, obviously you all can learn it. Now, course duration, contains 2 months, actually 50 days. This course is 50, not 50 days, 50 sessions. I will be very clear. 50 classes it will take after the demo. The first 4 or 5 days will be demo, sir. Once the demos are over, you will start the actual class. Once the actual class is started, every day we will have our notes, we will have our class, we will have our topics, we will have our tasks. Like that, we will complete 50 days. 50 days means obviously you will get Sundays leave, and if any other holidays comes in between. So here and there, 10 days if I consider for 2 months, it will take it 2 months. Considering Christmas is also there, New Year is also there, I will be sure, like in Pongal is also there for you. So it will take it like two, 2 months or 2 months, 1 week kind of thing. Sessions will be 50 only. Is it clear, ma? Every day the class starts, class timings are 4:05 to 4:10. It will start and it ends by 4:45 to 4:50. And next, after this, we'll have doubts if anyone has it. If you are having it normally doubt, you can ask while going in the class also. But some people, they are not able to ask in front of everyone. In that case, they can ask in the last of the class, end of the class. Sorry, I am wrong. Not 4:45. That's what. Why you guys are silent, Ray? It's not 40 minutes class. Yeah. I was like, just a mistake. 5:45 to 5:50. Yeah. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Next. The course duration, class timings, course details, prerequisites. Does anyone have question on this 4? Does anyone have any question on this 4? No? Okay, let's move on then. Good. Next one. HTML. What we will discuss inside HTML? We will have in HTML, we will discuss HTML basics, HTML4, HTML5, which is advanced HTML actually. Current version is advanced HTML, which is HTML5. And in CSS also, we will do basics, CSS basics, flux, grid, animations, 3D, responsive design, This all we will discuss, ma. Which is all, this all actually CSS3, advanced CSS. Some advanced properties. Any doubts, sir, in this? No? If anyone have any questions, you can mention ma online also. JavaScript, we will discuss JS basics, how a programming language will have basics. We will have a document object model, one concepts. We will discuss something called events. We will discuss something called asynchronous JavaScript, which we call Ajax. We will discuss APIs. We will discuss how to connect with front end to back end using APIs. And we will discuss something called libraries. We will discuss something called jQuery. All we will discuss. Bootstrap is complete Bootstrap we will discuss, ma. Bootstrap is a small one. Any doubts, sir, in this? Now online someone asked me like, will this course cover, does this course cover any Tailwind? No. Tailwind CSS you will use, Tailwind CSS we will use only if you are using some kind of React or something. But in our course, we don't use any React, so we don't have any Tailwind, sir. Doubts? No. Sir, what about projects? When you do a website or when you learn a course, what is the most important thing, you know? Projects. Whenever you do any course, sir, two things were majorly important. Okay. When you do any course, two things were majorly important. One is project. Second one is practice. These two are basic, like it's like one and one go. Okay. Now, if you don't balance this both, it will be a big trouble. Now, here in HTML, we will have mini projects. We will have 2 to 3 mini projects will be there in HTML. And in CSS, we will have again 2 to 3 mini projects. After this, one website, we will build one website using HTML, CSS, some kind of portfolio site or some kind of company website. We will build using just HTML, CSS. That is also one project, main project it is. Main project. And using Bootstrap also will build. This is also one main project is there. Okay. Now in JavaScript, this is the most important. JavaScript contain more than 10 mini projects. We will cover. We will cover in our JavaScript class more than 10 mini projects. More than 10 mini projects. And one main project. one main project. Mostly main project will be some kind of e-commerce site. But it depends at the time whether we e-commerce or OTT we will build anyone. Okay. Online, someone asked me operators, objects, cookies, functions. Those all are comes under JavaScript basics only, ma. Those all are basics only. We will discuss JavaScript in depth. Don't worry. We will discuss in depth of JavaScript. Okay. Let me show you the topics if you want it. Like, let me show you here. Desktop, Naresh IT, like HTML, CSS4. This is the batch. This is not. This is the batch which we discussed earlier. This is the batch which we discussed earlier, sir. Okay. I'm going to show you here. Don't worry about it. The whatever I'm doing it in the code, I will just show you the previous batch, what we did and all, so that you guys will get a clear idea on how our next course will be. Okay. Now, we will discuss first HTML, I told, na? Right or not? We will discuss HTML, ma. All the topics we will discuss HTML. Now, this is old wala. Let me open it, new wala. Okay, now see. Now, you will discuss HTML, sir. All the topics in the HTML we will cover. For each and every topic, we will have a separate notes. Okay, and every day, whatever the code I do, this is where I will put the code. And I will also give projects. I told you 2 to 3 projects will be there in HTML. Next, CSS. Again, in CSS also, we will do all the topics, ma'am. And we will have whatever the code I do, whatever the notes is on topic wise, and the complete projects, CSS projects. We will also do one website which is for HTML and CSS completely. Like kind of site we will do. We will build our own site, kind of one. Okay. And we'll just explain it how to do those kind of things. Whole site. We will discuss in detail different projects, ma. See, this is all just HTML, CSS only. The projects which we do. At the time, based on how we thought we will do the website, sir. Now, next one. We will discuss Bootstrap, sir. In Bootstrap also, we will build sites. Using Bootstrap also, I will just explain you what is Bootstrap and all. In Bootstrap also, we will build the sites. But most interesting of all is JavaScript. If I go to the JavaScript, sir, in JavaScript, the complete topics, see the topics. All the topics including this, we will have until the 56 main topics in detail. And in detailed classes, this is the code I will do it in class. Don't worry, I will teach you how to use this VS Code and all. Okay, don't worry about it, what I'm showing it. I'm just showing it, okay? You don't need to do now. Now, notes will be here. If you observe clearly, only JavaScript you will have something revision folder. The remaining two don't. Why? Because remaining two doesn't require actually. JavaScript will have some small revisions also sometimes. It may be possible that sometimes I may put some test so that you guys may do it. And we will do projects, sir. See, we will build some kind of Bollywood games, or we will put some fake stores, we will put dark light modes, we will build some movie search apps, we will build some weather APIs. Like this, we will build it, sir. Finally, we will do our main project, which will contain complete knowledge of HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. These things will go with only fewer kind of selections. I can sort the elements using Z to A to Z. I can select only beauty category or only furniture category. I can even search for an element. Smartphone, bring smartphones. And this is something, whatever the data you are getting it now, this data is not front end. Back end people will have it. And also people can log in here. They go to their own page. Each and everything will have their own page. And people can go with add to cart option. Here, add to cart will be added. If you go to the cart, you can see the item in the cart and the price. You can even remove it. You can even check it on different pages, sir. Does anyone have any questions, ma? Online, does anyone have any questions? This is the main final project, sir. We will build it with more, more and more functionalities. Based on the time request, we will put it more and more functionalities based on your request. Also, I will provide you my GitHub link. Every day code will be updated into the GitHub. You will go to GitHub and you will take the code and you will use it. Any doubts you guys are getting it? Someone is like, what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is just a CSS library, sir. To make CSS nicer, outside people will use one library, which is Bootstrap. Now, any other? You will take React batch also. Yes, I will do, but not in this class. Mine is separate. This one is for only HTML, CSS one. Someone is, will you create one doubt group where we can ask doubts? Yes, we will do something Telegram group. We will have one Telegram group. Inside the Telegram, you people can able to share your code and all, sir. If you open it here, let me show you. Usually, I will maintain in a Telegram group where, see, like these were the batches I have. For example, 7:30 batch or something, 9 o'clock batch. Or those people, when they bring the doubts, which we will, answer it. This was the last batch. Any more doubts, ma? Come on, Ray. First day only. I think you guys should have more energy, huh? Sir, backend. What is difference between backend developer and front end developer? Acha logic hai. To answer this, I will show you how the full stack application works. Full stack development, which is most people don't know. Now, let me open this. Now, this only, just now only I showed it now. Now, go here. First question, everyone, what is the difference between front end and back end? Here, instead of this, I will show you one more simple example. Project, movie search. Dekho. This one will be more easy. Now, did I have anything in my page? No. Tell me one movie name. Pushpa. Type it. Oh, so many movies are there with the Pushpa one. I don't know this many movies are named as Pushpa. Seriously? Now, sir, whenever I type a movie name, I am getting that movies, na? Right or not? Sir, I can type any movie's name, sir. Do you think it is possible for me to keep every movie in the world in my front end? Do you think it's possible, sir? No. If I keep it also, someone will take my data, na? Right or not? So, I will not put anything in the front end. I will put all the movies in database. Where do I put it? But sir, database someone needs to secure now. So someone who just secure my database, someone who just check it the logic and all, is backend people. So if someone user came to my website, they will register. Now actually, what I'm doing it is, if I'm typing one movie name, imagine if I'm typing Salar, front end people are typing Salar. Front end people are typing Salar. Front end people will give the Salar name to back end people. Back end people will check it in database whether Salar is there or not. And if it is there, back end people will take that data and give it to front end people. And then front end people will show. You may think that, sir, directly front end people only can talk now. No. If you talk like this, actually, when you inspect, I can see my code. When you inspect my website, I can see what code I wrote, everything. Front end people can able to see whatever someone wrote it front end, people can see the code. If I open Netflix page, in Netflix, sir, I really liked one image. Imagine I really like some image. Then I go here. If I go and if I see, I can take that image directly. If I just put it, I can take that image and I can download that image and I can use that. Front end can we do anything? Front end people will take your code easily. It is possible. That is why I want to secure my website. Sir, will I put my database like this, sir? If I put my database like this, will it be good? Jara socho re, like if I put my database and all open to everyone, will it be good, ma? No. So front end, back end को देते. Back end database को use करता. Front end never ask database. Kiddhar, whether you use, not anywhere, whether you used React or whatever, front end people will never directly go to the back end. Front end will ask the back end will ask the database, then database gives. Front end ka kaam just showing the data and taking the input from user. Back end ka kaam logic check karna. I go to Amazon website. I go to Netflix ka website. I just go down and I just click here sign in. When I click here sign in, sir, when I click here sign in, now you can see some email ID, some passwords are there. Imagine I gave some email ID and if I give some password, if I click on sign in, will it get sign in or not? Will it get sign in, sir? No. Why? Why do you think it will not sign in? Because a backend में नहीं है. What does it mean by login is when I click on login, front end people will take these two things and give it to backend. We will discuss APIs, don't worry. Front-end people will give these two things to backend. Then backend will check them whether they are in the database or not. If they are there, happy, they will say success. Then you will log in. If they are saying it like no, wrong, then they will say फिर try करो. Simple. Right or not, sir? If I put everything in starting only, people cannot able to understand. That's why bank applications are there. I go to SBI or I go to SBI is looking worst. I know that. But if I go to SBI, sir, if I want to log in, it should log in. Na? Even though it's looking worst, whenever I click login should work nicely. Dekho, login wala acha hai. Login should work nicely because banking system mainly works with the clients. We should log in. We should check our database. Do you think they will show the directly database outside? They should not, na? That is why backend is very important. Front end connects to backend connects to. And if anyone asks you front end kaisa connect karta, how the front end will connect to backend, API use karta. We will discuss what is API later. So API is like a bridge between front end and backend. Okay. If you see the bridges will connect two cities, two places. Same way the APIs connects front end ko backend. Backend से और एक API रहता database का. It will take the data, it will give the data. And if you see anytime full stack website, you will see the diagram, architecture, this is the basic logic. Front end, user will talk to front end talks to back end talks to database. Then again, backend will reply to front end will reply to user. Any doubts? We will discuss, sir. Don't worry. Next 2-3 classes, I will tell you more and more detail. Front end में क्या क्या technologies है, back end में क्या क्या technologies है. We will see practical. Any concept, listen, ma. This is not theoretical. If you go for programming languages, Python and all, they may not able to show you everything practical because some programming languages have theoretical concepts like OOPS and all. But JavaScript or anything in HTML, CSS, JS, if you are not getting any topic, you can tell me. I will show you real world example that like one website which is already implementing it, any website, because we can directly see there are crores of websites. We can see all the features. Is it clear, my your doubt? Any other doubts? Someone asked a doubt. Suppose I want to create a website like there. I can upload my courses per. If anybody wants to buy, I can add features like after purchase course. Nobody can download the video or record the video. How can I add this feature like Netflix? This is very interesting. If I have to tell architecturally, imagine someone comes to your website. Understand this. Are you all getting it, ma? Are you all getting it, na? We are not doing any coding, generally speaking. Okay? If anyone not getting, tell me, I will tell you one more time slowly. So one guy asked me one question. I will tell you question. You also think. Question is, he wants to create one website which contain courses. Someone has to come to their website, click the course buy, they will click the course, buy, they will pay the money. After clicking the buy only, they can able to download it. If I go to Netflix, they will show movie, but I cannot watch the movie until I pay it. Right or not? Imagine he wants to build something like that. Is it clear online? Gaurav, is it that what you want? Now, imagine you wants to do something like that, sir. Okay. Now, first, you will create one nice HTML, nice front end. In front end, you will put HTML, CSS, JS. It will look nicely. It will look nicely. Okay. But if anyone played it, na, or if anyone click download or pay, whatever it is, if anyone download or play, kuch bhi, it will automatically goes to backend. It will ask you, give me your phone number first, that or email ID first. That guy will give one email ID, na, content will go to backend. Sir, backend you can put multiple language. One more time, I'm telling it. Java, or that is also one language. Uh, you know, C sharp, kuch bhi. You put one language, sir. First, what it will do, it will check this whether this email or phone number is it there or not. Imagine email is not there. Will it work, ma? No. Okay. First logic is simple. If email is not there, chhod do. Email is there. Imagine email is there. Then again it should check. Again it should check. Is this guy, after email is there, is this guy paid or not? I have logged into Udemy. I have account in Udemy, but I did not paid for course. Will it play, sir? Will it play? No. So first it should check paid or not. Imagine if he paid, then you will go to streaming website. Streaming website. There will be one thing, streaming users, streaming site. You will use one logic. Backend will use streaming logic, and that streaming logic will print. I will tell you the streaming logics also. Don't worry. Basic streaming logics I will tell you. But imagine he is not paid. Then it will go to some payment logic. Payment logic bole to something like payment gateways, Razor Pay or some payment gateway it will go. It will go to gateways. Now in that gateway he will pay, and if his payment is successful, he will go to streaming. If he is not successful, again he will go to back. This is the logic. Yeah. If someone is already paid, na, is it clear? Good. Oh, that's nice. If someone already paid, na, if someone already paid, it will go to streaming. If someone not paid, it will go to the payment gateway, and then after paying, it will come back. Any doubts? Online, someone is asking it like, can we do this project in our course? There is one problem. In this course, only front end will be there. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I told you. But to do this project, you need backend. Why, sir? Imagine I put payment details in front end, ma, it will not work. You got my point, na? Imagine I said it like, is he paid or not in front end? वो नहीं को work होता. तो backend जरूरी है. तो उसके लिए like you need it backend logic, backend and database logic. If you work with something React and all, you can do it. Only with front end also in React, what we will do, we will put some backend like Firebase, and you can try it. If you put it Firebase and Razorpay, you can make it 100%. Now, see, your business logic is different, ma. One person may say it like, if I click on it, it will download. One person may say it like, if I click on it, some another thing. Your wish. But Procedure is this only. Any doubts here? Online, any doubts, sir? No, ma. Next. Next. Now, everyone, think for 2 minutes. Tell me what is that one website which you wanna create, which you want to create by end of this course. Now you all had basic idea, na? Now online also, I hope everyone has basic idea on what is a website, sir. I may ask anyone online, offline. Everyone think online people are going with something fake GPS, Flipkart, Udemy, something. What about you offline? Are everyone clear, ma? You tell me, sir. You, yeah. Which website you wanna build by end of this course? Regarding the Oscar winning movies, like movie searching one, best movies, really nice project. What about you, sir? Ticket booking system, like a book my show. Perfect. What about Yuma? Yeah, starting one. No? Anyone from the girls? So you all want job only, not building anything, right? Or don't want to speak in front of anyone? I can make anyone, everyone close their eyes, including me. Oh, anyway, good. Now, it's okay, ma, but always I want you guys to think real website to build. There are a lot of HTML courses. Okay. The biggest fears of today's industry is you can see the HTML, CSS, JS courses everywhere in YouTube's or Udemy's, or AI is there in the web development like ChatGPT or something kind of Vercel. But believe me, there is one thing which AI cannot do. There is one thing which courses cannot teach. That is called your creativity. And if you are a guy who is not having that creativity, it would be very much trouble. Take it the website. Take it the websites. There are lakhs and lakhs of websites, same like Netflix. Do you know that how many OTTs are there? Lakhs. How many e-commerces are there? You know that? So many e-commerces websites are there. Then why do you think that you have to build another e-commerce? But we believe maybe our e-commerce will be something different. We believe that our e-commerce has something special to do, something that works, and we have something creativity, speciality. If I can give everyone pencil and if I teach you everyone how to draw, will everyone draw the great painting, ma? If I teach you, if I give you a paintbrush and everyone teach you painting, will everyone become a great painter? No, only one or two. Why? Because it's up to you. Not everyone, I'm 100% saying it. This course is for everyone. I will teach it to everyone. I will give you complete guidance. I will give you all the projects. But I want it from your side to really work it in real time. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Take like this today also. I asked you like what site you will build. Like some people did not answer. Imagine it's your company. Imagine I gave you the job. I asked you how much your progress or what did you build. You are like, no, I don't want to talk. Is it good? No, na? Everyone, that is what my point is. I hope that makes sense till now. Okay. Now, I wanted the class to be interactive one as soon as more as possible. Good. If anyone have any more questions, you can tell me, ma. Offline one, I will give you the unmute option also in 10 minutes. Don't worry. Online one, if any questions are there, you can let me know. Offline one, any questions, sir? No? Good. Online, if anyone wants to talk, sir, please raise your hand so that I will give you the chance to unmute yourself one by one. Offline, if anyone wants to talk, please raise your hand, sir. Let me lower all. Now, please raise your hand so that I will give you one by one chance. Online.
Am I audible, sir?
Online, can you
Hello,
hear me?
sir. You're audible, sir. Hello, sir. I'm audible. Hello,
Online can talk.
sir. I'm audible. Good evening,
You are talking.
hello, sir. I'm audible, sir.
Online, can you hear me, ma?
You are audible, sir. I'm not. My voice is audible to you, sir. Hello,
Online, you can unmute yourself and talk.
Hello.
Sir.
hello, sir. I'm audible, sir. Now,
Hello.
yes, sir. I'm audible, sir. This is Harris, sir. Hello,
Hello. On online, you can talk, ma.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello. Sir, my name is Rana Bakshi. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me, sir? My name is Rana.
Yes, Rana, tell me.
Yeah, so I have one question. So regarding this everyday's class and sessions, so can we get the everyday's class notes and recording sessions after end of the
You
class?
will no, you will get it class notes, but not like in demos class, you will get the recording. Demos class, you will get the recording, but not the actual class. For that, you have to talk to the admins once.
Yeah, means I am
Normally,
saying
you will
no, I am saying after means registering the class, can I get the means main class recording sessions as well?
that you can talk with the admin. I think recording classes were different. Online, class is different. If you are paying for only classes to listen, it's different. If you pay for classes to listen and record both, that is different. It
Okay.
depends on you. Yeah.
Okay, so means you mean to say there is an options, but I have to choose which options I need, right?
Right. 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 Right.
Got it, sir. Got
Got
it.
it.
And the second question is that regarding this JS, you are saying that in-depth JavaScript you will be learning us. So means in JavaScript like API, REST API, SOAP API, all will be covered, right?
REST API will be covered. We don't use SOAP API and all in basic web development.
Okay, REST API will be covered. Yeah.
Yeah, REST API will be covered. When you go for higher architecture, you will get the SOAP or GraphQL, but normally REST API only will be used for whole web development.
Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Got
And
it.
the timing will be the same as you mentioned, 4 to 5:30.
Same.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Prasad sir.
Offline, anyone have any doubts now? I didn't expect you guys will ask so many doubts today. Okay. No guys, just think of this today as a class. Check 9 websites. Tomorrow, I will start with this question. Tomorrow, I will ask you what is that one good website you check? What is the bad website you check? That means looking back, not real back. Okay? Like IRCTC or SBI is similar. I want you to bring some looking back website. Okay? Tomorrow I will ask you guys. Originally in company only girls speak. Means like we are silent actually, you know that? Yeah, it's because yeah, that's what we are thank you all. You know that takes us online. We can talk about online. If anyone have online, if anyone wants, please raise your hand.
Very good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening, ma. Tell me.
Sir, you have told after completing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, what website you want to build.
E-commerce. Yeah, I will build e-commerce. I asked you what you will build.
Okay, so sir, I have decided I want to build a Zoom meeting conference where nobody can record video except host. Like currently we are doing on WebEx. So, sir, I want to ask in this, it is possible, we currently using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, we can build it.
It is possible, but it needs more security. So for that more security, you need to do some kind of backend. It is possible, ma, but you need some kind of backend for that.
Okay. Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. To everyone, thank you, ma. Online. Tell me, sir.
Sir, why does the app get crashed? App now app or website? Why